to me the way you dance and that you think that you're cute. I see your curve, I see the way that you move. I'm watching you from over here and no, I wouldn't dispute that you know just exactly what to do. Come on and walk over here, I wanna talk to you. Listen to that. I think I want you in ways that I ain't never wanted no one else. You're kinda special, I treat you baby better than I treat myself. I bet you never had to worry about a thing in your life. You never had to worry, no. Cause pretty girls like you just have to smile to get whatever they like. And you know that I'm right.